This conference will now be recorded.
We'd like to expand upon some of the written blogs we've created and show you how to create a Kibana visualization and dashboard using delivered indexes. So in order to do that, we're going to go through some steps here. First, we want to visualize and create a visualization. So we'll do that. These are the delivered visualizations here. We're going to go ahead and we want to add a new one. We will choose horizontal bar, but obviously you have a lot of choices. Okay. Now we need to use one of the delivered index patterns. So in this case, I'm going to choose the job data index pattern. So that's going to be count on my y-axis. Here I'm going to focus on what I want to put in the x-axis. So select an aggregation. What we really want to do are get the terms or the fields, and then select the field that we're going to report off of. In this case, we can choose the country code, okay? And we'll do a count. You can descend it or ascend it, and the size. In this case, we're just going to make it a little bit bigger. We'll make it size 10, which is a pretty good size for these. So what we want to do here is then apply these changes, and you'll see our visualization, which are the basically employees by country. So here now we need to save this visualization. Okay. So we're going to save this as Kibana country video. Confirm it. Okay. So now what we'd have to do is take this visualization and put it on a dashboard to create the dashboard. Dashboards are made up of multiple visualizations. So here we'll go ahead and click on dashboard, and we want to create a new dashboard. Okay. So here we have to fill it up. So we go to add, okay, and we want to find our visualization that we just created. And there's our Kibana country video visualization. And you'll see that it was added to the dashboard. Of course, we could add more visualizations, but for the purpose of this, we'll keep it simple. And once we do that, we want to click Save. Okay. We'll call it the same, Kibana country video dashboard. Confirm Save. So what we have here is our just the dashboard itself, but we have to go ahead and actually export this dashboard. So if we go to our saved objects, we find our Kibana country video, we click on it, okay, and now we can go ahead and we can export it. And when we click on export, you'll see it creates a JSON here. So what we've done now is created that visualization. We've created a quick dashboard. We have to go into PeopleSoft HCM now, and we have to go ahead and take a few steps. So I've got these in my recent places, but one of the first things we need to do are import a dashboard. So we'll actually have to make it available first, but let's go ahead and we'll click plus. And we probably won't see it here, but I want to just show you. So Kibana country video. Sorry, we wouldn't see it here. And then we will go ahead and click import. Dashboard imported successfully, so we'll save that. Okay. So we basically pulled in that Kibana dashboard. So now we still have a few more steps. So we want to look at Kibana visualizations. You'll see here that we want to go ahead and create a tile for it. So I'm going to go ahead and look for Kibana country video. I'm going to look for the same thing. Okay. And then I'm going to just give it a same naming convention. And click Save. This should create our ability to have that as a tile, which we'll see shortly. Now we want to go to our Deploy Kibana dashboards. Okay. You'll see our Kibana country video here. It's undeployed. So we will go ahead and deploy that. And we are deployed. So essentially, we took some steps here on the PeopleSoft side to import it, create the visualization, which creates the tiles and on the PeopleSoft side, and then deployed the dashboard. So now, if we go to our home page, and I created a Kibana homepage. If I click on Personalize, I can add a tile. I can go down to PeopleSoft Applications. There's my Kibana country video tile. I can click Save. And now I have a Kibana tile. So if I click on that as a user, it'll come here and I can say Open in Kibana. And it should bring me right to the dashboard that we just created. So straightforward as that, using the delivered indexes. So you can create visualizations, add them to dashboards, create your own dashboards, import them to PeopleSoft HCM, deploy the dashboard, create the visualization for the tile, and then deploy the tile. And you've created a Kibana simple dashboard.